If you're new to trading or you've tried everything and still feel lost, this is the video that will finally give you clarity. I'm ranking the top 4 easiest trading styles to learn based on simplicity, screen time, learning curve. Whether you've got 15 minutes a day or 5 hours, you will know exactly which style matches your time, energy, and goals. And by the end, you'll stop jumping styles and start building consistency. By way of introduction, I'm Kojak's Pro, a trader, and I've been at this game for over 3.5 years. I'm a swing trader, but I didn't start out by being so. Actually, when I started out my forex trading journey, I was a scalper, taking trades here and there and coming out within minutes. But as I grew with more chart time and more experience, I found that trading less and taking higher quality trade setups kind of gave me an edge, or was better for me as a trader. That now caused the switch from a scalper to a swing trader. Now, I trade and hold those trades for a longer period of time with less errors. Swing trading just gives me the balanced lifestyle I want as a forex trader. Allows me to do stuff during the day, not having to sit in my screen all the time and monitor the charts. But it might be a different story for you, who knows? At the end of this video, you'll find out which one is best for you, especially when you're starting out. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Now let's get into the video. When I say easiest, I don't mean guaranteed profits. I mean easiest to learn, stick with, and build consistency around. We are ranking this based on the simplicity of rules, time commitment, how much emotional control is required, and how long it takes to get competent. Each of these styles can make you profitable. The key is choosing one that fits your life, not fighting to fit your life around your trading. Starting from number 4 is scalping. This is the most intense style of trading. It means jumping in and out of the markets in minutes, aiming for small, fast wins. Here are the pros. Tons of trading opportunities, no overnight risk, forces you to learn precision and discipline quickly. The cons: mentally draining, not beginner friendly for most, requires deep focus and lots of screen time. Scalping can work if you have the time and can thrive under pressure, but for most people, it leads to burnout fast. The third style is day trading. Day trading is a more structured version of scalping. You still open and close trades within the same day, but you're working within a 15-minute to a 1-hour time frame. The pros: great for traders with a few hours each day. Fewer trades than scalping, but more than swing trading. Allows for more deliberate setups and risk control. The cons: still needs time availability. Can tempt you into overtrading if you're undisciplined. Requires strong routine and trade journaling. If you've got 2 to 3 focus hours a day and want more control without the chaos, this might be your move. Coming at number 2 is swing trading. Swing trading is one of the most beginner-friendly styles out there. You're holding trades for 1 to 5 days, maybe a week, capturing big moves without needing to babysit the charts. Here are the pros: low screen time, cleaner price action, easier to manage emotions, works with most full-time schedules. The cons: slower feedback loops. You need patience and the ability to let trades breathe. News events can cause shakeouts mid-trade. It's the sweet spot for part-time traders who want to build structure without pressure. The number 1 on this list is position trading, also known as trend holding. This is the easiest trading style to learn because it's a long game of holding trades for weeks, even months, based on macro trends. Here are the pros: extremely low screen time in minutes per week. Trades based on big picture levels. Very little stress, less noise, less emotional temptation. The cons: very slow results, but more meaningful. Requires larger stop losses. Can feel boring if you crave activity, but boring is often the most consistent part. You're thinking like an investor, but with trader level precision. Here's a quick recap. Position trading is best for long-term thinkers with low time commitment. Swing trading is best for part-timers who want more structure. Day trading is best for focused traders with 2 to 3 hours a day to spare. And scalping is best for fast-paced, disciplined personalities. If you're overwhelmed by all the options, don't be. Ask yourself 3 questions. How much time do I really have to trade? Do I want quick wins or long-term consistency? Am I naturally impulsive or patient? Then choose one style and build around that. That's how consistency begins. To make this easy for you, I've built a 1-page trading style match guide. It's a free PDF that shows you what style fits you based on your schedule, risk tolerance, and personality. Download it below. And if this video gave you clarity, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I drop videos like this every week to help traders actually grow. See you in my next video.